Hi guys, so I'm bringing you along with me to see what's new at Dollar Tree this month for Valentine's Day. So they had a bunch of door hangers as well as table decorations, door decorations. I was looking at certain little wreaths. I think you could make like Valentine's Day themed as well. Like you can add different hearts and flowers and just whatever. They had Valentine's Day themed little boxes for gifts. If you wanted to gift like a teacher or a friend or whoever, like you could definitely create a cute gift box set for them. OMG, like they had literally everything you can think of Valentine's Day themed. The cold eye patches I thought were cute because it promotes like self-care. Bath sponges that have little love you text written on it. More door hangers, different decorations you could put like on your tabletop or like a windowsill or something, or your desk. This one was my favorite. So cute. I went down to the little bins they had with different messages on there. It said love you always on that one. I thought that one was so cute. They had another one that said be mine, and then they had makeup blender sponges, which were Valentine's Day themed. They had little combs that you could use in the shower, microfiber hair wraps, and so forth. Here's some more baskets that I found, and glassware, you guys. Yes, they had glassware that was Valentine's Day themed. Little metal buckets you could put like homemade cookies in, give to your neighbor, your friends, your family. They had metal buckets as well, and they had a scented plush. I was curious about this, so I took a whiff, and it didn't smell like chocolate. I don't know what that smell was, but anyway, you could probably spray your own like little perfume or something and then gift it to someone or have it for you at night. Tons of candy. Like literally, you could buy a whole stockpile of candy for the classrooms, your colleagues, whoever. Just make little party bags with candy, different socks, trinket. I picked up a pack of Valentine's Day cards and these cute bear mugs, y'all. They are full glass with a metal jar. What do you guys think I should make these? Drinks or candles? Comment below. They're too cute. I know they had them in pink, but I think the pink ones are gone. These are another Valentine's Day themed tote bags I seen. They had one with pugs and kisses. This is so cute. And they had little other gifts like nail polish you could put in your gift bags, tablecloths, decorative rose petals as well. So yeah, we're heading over to the next aisle to see what else that they have. I see more socks, more gnomes that you could decorate your table or desk with. What I thought was really cute was a Valentine's Day tree. They put a different spin on the Christmas tree, which I like because it's kind of different. You can decorate it, and plus it's pink. They had light up fiber optic roses, which I thought were a cute touch. Ribbons that you could decorate any type of box or item with, different variety of colors and patterns, which I thought was nice. Mini tree toppers for the mini tree we just saw. That was cute. They even have the plastic jars that you can make different DIYs with, as well as the wooden crafts. You could paint with your children, paint with your cousins, nephews, whoever, and just have fun during this time. Like, be festive and create. Another item that I thought was really cute was the LED string lights. They were heart-shaped, and I'm hoping they appear red like in the picture. That would be so cute. Another item that I thought was lovely was the wooden stick toppers with the heart shapes. You could make and create any type of cake and add those as like a cute design on your cakes. And also the gnome ones. Oh my God. More stuffed animals, all red, pinks, and dark pinks. And then we're coming over to the other side. Let's see what they have over here. More door decorations. I'm telling y'all, like y'all could have a whole collage of decorations on your door. Like literally. I picked out some more holiday treat bags for the classes. What I love about this year is that they have a lot of party packs where they have like packs of 6 craft kits that you can distribute to the classmates. They have different like items for the boys as well as the girls, which I love. And they just have a variety of the cards. Like, it's so convenient, like literally convenient. And here I'm just showing you the ones for the boys, the exchange cards for the girls. They got slinkies, they got stickers, notebooks. Yeah. And here's some more different types of boxes that they have. You can gift like your teachers or family members, necklaces, rings, even bubbles in the winter. Can't get better than that, y'all. They got the mailbox decorations, as well as the cookie cutters. I picked this one up as well because I love making festive cookies and festive desserts. They are so cute. They even had the cupcake wrappers that you can make heart-shaped Valentine's Day cupcakes out of, which I thought were so cute. They had Valentine's Day balloons, more mailbox kits. And yeah, they even had some Valentine's Day straws, which I thought was really nice. I didn't pick those up because I already had a straw that I got from Target. So yeah, if you guys want to see that video, let me know. Love the paper cups. You can use them for hot drinks, cold drinks, whatever. They come in handy because I love the top on them, especially when I'm traveling somewhere. I'm going to need something with a top, okay? I don't want anything and everything just spilling all in my car. They had heart-shaped plates, which I thought were super cute. I seen these jars on the other side, which were like Valentine's Day themed. They had like the stopper, the rubber stopper around them, which I thought were nice because you can practically put anything in there and it will stay fresh, which is a good sign. I know they probably had them in other colors, but they're probably gone already. I picked up some of these magnet buttons because what I was thinking was making magnet crafts for all of the kids in my kids' class so they could take something home, make it, and gift it to their mom or their grandma. I also seen these decorative glass knobs. You could like do some DIY projects with them, change out your old knobs, refresh it, make it new again, make it a little stylish, which I like. This was another new item I've seen in Dollar Tree. They're definitely getting ready for March. As you can see, they got the scarves. I seen, what are these? Foam scatters, which are nice, but these, the glitter gets everywhere, y'all. Like, I wouldn't advise to get it unless you want glitter everywhere, okay? They had ribbons. They even had a decor stone. May God bless you. Love that. I love that. Little ornaments, leprechaun ornaments, and more tabletop signs, y'all. Nail stamp plates. Oh my God. Like and share for part 2 of what's new.